Most people get this wrong. They think credit score apps are all the same, but Savvy Money has some unique features that could change the way you manage your finances. Savvy Money is a financial platform that focuses on credit score monitoring and loan comparisons. It connects to your bank accounts and credit reports to give you a comprehensive view of your financial health. The standout feature is its personalized recommendations. Savvy Money doesn't just show your credit score, it suggests ways to improve it, whether through paying down debt, reducing credit utilization, or consolidating loans. Setting it up is easy. You sign in with your bank credentials or link your accounts manually. The platform then analyzes your financial behavior and generates a credit snapshot. You can track changes over time, which is helpful if you're working toward a specific goal, like qualifying for a mortgage or refinancing a loan. The platform also compares loan options for mortgages, auto loans, and personal loans, showing you potential savings based on your credit profile. This makes it easier to shop around without having to visit multiple lenders individually. The surprising truth about Savvy Money is that it's not just for people with poor credit. Even if your score is good, the insights can help you save money and optimize your finances. For example, I discovered a mortgage refinancing option that could save thousands over the life of the loan simply by acting on the recommendations. One downside is that Savvy Money requires you to link your financial accounts, which may feel invasive to some users. However, the platform uses bank-level security and encryption, making it safe for most people. In conclusion, Savvy Money is a valuable tool for anyone serious about improving their credit and making informed financial decisions. It combines monitoring, analysis, and actionable recommendations in one place, which can save time, reduce stress, and even save money. Subscribe for more honest finance tool reviews to help you make smarter money decisions.